Welcome to the AP exam registration tutorial for Upper Dublin High School. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of registering for AP exams. Please be sure to refer to the AP exam registration page posted by your teacher or on our AP exam Schoology group. This page refers to the links and instructions you'll need. Two-step registration process. AP exam registration has two steps, and both must be completed to be officially registered. Step 1. Complete the College Board setup. All students must log in to myap.collegeboard.org. If you already have a College Board account, log in with your existing credentials. If you don't have an account, you will have to create a new one. Your AP teacher will provide you with a join code for each AP course. This step must be completed by all students, even if you're not taking the AP exam. Step 2. Register and payment through Total Registration. Next, log in to Total Registration. This is your first AP class. You'll need to create a new account. From there, select each AP course in which you plan to take an exam in May. Once you finish registration, you will submit payment through Total Registration. At the end, you will receive a confirmation receipt. When you have completed both steps on the College Board and Total Registration, you are officially registered for AP exams. The cost for each AP exam this year will be $102. Families may register after the November deadline, but only until the March deadline. A $40 late registration fee will apply from College Board. If a student wishes to cancel their exam, they may do so up until the exam date. College Board will refund the exam cost, but will deduct a $40 cancellation fee and retain any late registration fees. This year's deadline to register is November 7th. Thank you for your time. Please refer to the AP exam registration document to register for the exams.